Today we're looking at the Matchbox series International Pocket Catalog 1963 edition, USA edition, Pocket Money Toys by Lesney. This is this is going way back. This is only a couple years after I was born. Yeah, I look at how old this is, and I think, yeesh, I'm old. Anyhow, let's take a look at it. The London bus. The London bus you have to love. You've seen this a million times. The diesel road roller. I used to love that as a kid. It's the most basic thing, and yet it's the coolest thing. Triumph motorcycle and sidecar. I love the livery on the sugar container truck. That is just cool. The wreck truck. That's just neat. The ambulance, I still have that. I had that, didn't have the Aston Martin racing car. Probably would have loved to have had the Aston Martin racing car. No, I got the ambulance. Matchbox series 21 through 30, the milk delivery truck. Fond memories of that. That was just a cool casting. All the milk bottles in the back. It was simple, but yet it was cool. At least I thought it was cool. The Vauxhall Cresta. Volkswagen sedan. E-Type Jaguar. Volkswagen camping van with the side doors that open. The horse box truck. I've got one of those sitting around somewhere. The long distance bus. That is funny. That just has such an odd look to it. Matchbox series 41 through 50 on this page. And I know there's someone who's going to be happy to see the newspaper delivery truck. Loston, one of the viewers of the channel before, has mentioned this. I believe he said it's his favorite casting, and it's just a cool casting. You have to love the first with the news across the top. Pickford's, fond memories of that. Police car, series 51 through 60 over on this page. Morris pickup truck. Builder's Supply Company. I love the livery. It has such a cool look to it. I think it's just the color on the blue that I'm really liking. 61 through 75, we have some military vehicles. Ford Estate car. Ferrari racing car. Ford Thunderbird. Nestle's delivery truck. The mobile refreshment bar is cool. That has such a good look to it. New Matchbox series. From time to time, new models will be introduced to replace withdrawn items. Just a few future introductions are shown here, with some other new models, which are to be available soon, are already included in this catalog. And it's funny because I had a couple of those. The refuse truck and the TV service van. That was cool. I truly do not remember the antenna on the top of the TV service van. It probably did not last long with me. Matchbox series gift sets, G1 to G10. Those would have been cool to get as a kid. Just a full little set of them. That's a cool way to do it. I guess we kind of do that now. Hot Wheels does sets, and I guess all the manufacturers do to some extent, but it's cool seeing it back then. And then here's the makeup of what's in each set. That's a nice way to list it. The last one being the garage gift set. That's neat. Matchbox series major packs, M1 to M7. The BP auto tanker. I love the look of this 18-wheel tractor and transport. Again, it must be the blue with the white lettering that I'm liking, that's really catching my eye. Because I like how that transporter works, too. That is neat. That is cool. These are just neat. I mean, it's wild to look way back at these old Matchbox. And, you still see them around. I've got a bunch of these old castings laying around that need to be restored or have something happen to them. I'll get to them. I'll get to them at some point. The Dinkum rear dumper. Hydraulic shovel. That is neat. I like the shovel part, but it has an old truck kind of look to it, which, obviously it's an old truck. So maybe that's why it has an old truck look to it. Curtis Wright rear dumper. K5 to K7, and the K7 here is the rear dumper. Obviously, it's different than the K7 I know and love, but still. That would be a neat set to have. The prime mover and transporter with Caterpillar trailer, or tractor, excuse me. That is neat. That'd be neat to have restored and just sitting on a shelf somewhere, just letting people look back at that, Heavy breakdown wreck truck. Matchbox service station with the BP logos. Same wording about introducing new models here. The BP service station. Matchbox series roadways with 3-dimensional stand-up cutouts. There's 4 different ones of those. 5 different accessory packs. Garage for single car. The models of yesteryear. I was just thinking, all of these are models of yesteryear now. These are the models of extreme yesteryear. Looking at these today. When there's horses, it's yesteryear. The steam roller. Pretty cool. Oh, another horse. Sunbeam motorcycle with Milford sidecar. There's just something about a motorcycle with a sidecar that is just inherently cool. A locomotive. Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. The prices. It's 1963 U.S. retail prices. Numbers 1 through 75, 49 cents each. The accessory packs from 49 cents to $1.25. Major packs got as high as $2, from 75 cents all the way up to $2. King size series, 75 cents up to $3 for the K8. Huh. Models, the plastic service station was $2.50. The gift sets, none of the gift sets were over $6. Huh. So there you have it. The 1963 U.S.A. edition of the Matchbox catalog. Thanks for watching.